Here at Ikea in Memphis, Tennessee, we are going to be trying some food for the first time that have you ate here?
No.
I haven't ate here either. So we are going to the entrance here to Ikea, and we're going to try. It's a Swedish-based store. So Jan goes by January Elephant code word. It's not too much of a code word now, everybody knows about it, but he had actually donated because he's from Sweden and he wants us to try some of the food here. So we're going to go in, try a vast variety of food and let you know how it is. So let's get inside. Okay, we are headed to go find something to eat. This is the middle of the road of walking, so when you get tired you can sit and eat for a second. Like I said, I never ate here before and we're just going to try a lot of different items here, so let me shut up and see what they got to offer, and I'll be right back with you. All right, folks, as you heard, we are at Ikea in Memphis. First time we've tried any of this. We haven't ate here before. I did go with the pear drink, and you went with the lingonberry.
I don't know if that's right.
It tastes like a cranberry. I just tasted it up there, and this tastes okay. All their drinks, they cut down half the sugar for some reason, I guess for health reasons for people. This is a chocolate cake. What kind of cake is that?
Strawberry shortcake.
Strawberry shortcake. You got some salmon?
No, I got salmon, and I got rice with peas and carrots and vegetable medley. Yeah,
like the.
And we got.
You know what I'm talking about? The girl with the glasses. The meddling kids.
No.
The meddling kids off Scooby-Doo.
Meddling kids. If it hadn't been for those meddling kids.
And we also have the plant balls, broccoli, and green beans.
I didn't know balls had plants, but they're plant-based meatballs, right? Go ahead.
And we have the Swedish meatballs with mac and cheese, mashed potatoes. I think this is some gravy. I forgot what kind of sauce she said this is, but this one is a butter sauce.
Yeah, this one, I told them not to put it on the mashed potatoes and gravy just in case I didn't like it, but I just wanted to taste it without before.
And we got the lingonberry.
The star of the show, the lingonberry. I'm not sure if it's the lingonberry bush, but it's the lingonberry. So we're going to try all this out for you guys and see, what do you want to do first? What do you think? Like these, probably that or no?
Let's do the salmon first.
Salmon
so
first.
Get cold.
Okay, I'm going to get this out the way. Okay.
And I got salt and pepper too, just in case.
All right.
But the butter sauce, she said, was for the
salmon. She actually called it salmon.
I'm gonna taste it without it. Does it have the skin on it? Okay, they took the skin off. Some places leave it on.
It's okay. I'm not a fan of salmon anyway.
It's pretty good without anything on it. For it to be like a chain place, it's seasoned good.
Yeah. It's okay.
I like it.
The butter adds a little bit more richness to it, but it's for people that like salmon.
I like that. And this is seasoned good.
She's giving a thumbs up.
Yeah. Because most of the time, places will skimp on the seasoning. And I taste it with the butter sauce.
And the method to go through here, It doesn't take very long to get through the line, and it's easy to choose.
I'm not
You
a
don't like
fan
that?
of the butter sauce.
Oh,
It's a little spicy, or is that me? Isn't it spicy?
You are hot. See what I did there?
No, I said spicy. The butter sauce tastes like,
It's cold, kinda.
no,
It's cold, so it is spice. It has a spice to it, but the temperature of it's cold.
I don't know how to describe it though.
Like fake butter. You gotta eat that right
It
there
kind of tastes
before I
like
eat it all.
it was, when you first taste it, it tastes like it's going to be like a horseradish sauce, but not quite.
They got nice crisp to the veggies too.
I'm going to try it one more time.
One more time. It's kind of blandish butter. It's just
not
like butter.
It's some kind of sauce, but they call it butter sauce. That's not just butter.
It's bland. It's like butter.
No.
Well, if they try to make a butter sauce and it sucks. Okay, I'm going back. If that's a sauce, it's like it's okay,
I
but
don't like it. I don't know how to describe it.
but for a butter sauce, that sucks.
The veggies just need salt.
I'm trying to go with when you're going because I'm going a little bit too fast.
Yeah.
Like my batteries are about
I
to die or
don't
something.
eat as fast as you do.
I can talk for a little bit while you eat. You catch up.
Because I'm still chewing on what's around. Okay,
Oh,
now.
you're chewed.
Yeah. Did you try to rice and peas yet?
Not yet. The line is getting packed now, so I'm glad we got in right before lunch.
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
None of the veggies have salt or pepper in it, so you add your own seasoning, I'm guessing, to the veggies.
So if you're going to an old folks home, or what do you really call them? Nursing homes, not old folks. That's probably ignorant to say, but I say that stuff. A nursing home, you would find this food probably right here, unseasoned at all.
They let you season it how you want.
Yeah, so they don't want to kill you.
Yeah. Now taste it with the salt and pepper.
You done doctored your chef.
It tastes better.
Tastes like salt and pepper on some bland stuff.
The next plate, y'all.
Don't worry, it won't go to waste. You can have the salmon. Okay? Now she can, but she doesn't eat pork. Something's wrong with her. So she's gonna eat the plant-based ones, and
So what's wrong with you?
something's wrong with them. This is the plant-based balls. I'm gonna try the balls with her, and then I'm gonna go over to mine.
Let's put both of them right here.
Put
Are we
both
supposed to eat-
balls together.
We supposed to eat that with this? Is that what that's for?
We'll try it first without it, and then
am.
try the lingonberry bush berries.
Okay.
Do they grow linden? Is it like Swedish has lingonberries? I should have done some research.
They taste like dressing balls.
Yeah,
Like dressing. It tastes like dressing.
like the corner without the crisp. The corner, try to get the dressing out.
Yeah, it tastes like Thanksgiving dressing, but without.
Okay, let's try.
You gonna try it with the sauce?
Let's just try the sauce because I don't want to eat all your balls there, and you don't eat these. Sauce is actually pretty good. I like that sauce.
I do. It's like a tomato base, like creamy.
Now
like
I'm gonna
sauce.
try the good balls right here. These are good balls in your face.
You want me to put some on your?
They're okay.
Don't dip it. You want me to put some in the plate?
So just a little more balls. There we go. Well, Jan had recommended the Swedish meatballs with mashed potatoes and lingonberries. They're okay. And this was like $5.49 or something. This was like $5.49.
Yeah, and this one was cheaper, surprisingly.
Really? The plant?
The plant base was cheaper than that.
Try one. Try it with this.
It's like a cranberry sauce.
No, that tastes like cranberry. So lingonberries are just cranberries, actually. They're copying off cranberries. Which one came first, the cranberry or the lingonberry? That's the age-old question. It does taste good though. I like the lingonberry sauce.
I'm not a cranberry sauce fan, so
But
it's not
you
bad.
cranberries.
I like cranberry juice, but I don't like the cranberry sauce is a little too much on the tart side. But this is like a sweet cranberry.
We don't know what kind of grease this is in the gravy, so you're probably not going to be trying the gravy.
I think it's just regular gravy.
Regular gravy.
I tried
Okay.
it. It's not.
You already tried it?
Yeah.
Before me? What are you supposed to do?
Try the gravy. I put it on my meatball.
Well, I was going to try this and this, but I'll try this first. Try a little bit of nursing home. They'll let you see.
It got a little salt in it. Just a little.
A little.
Just a little bit.
Okay. Put a little gravy here. You want to try a little bit? Because the gravy's no good. Wow. Ikea, your prices are low, and I see why. The food.
You making a mess.
Got a napkin, please? Now what do we got to do?
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese. Oh, oops. Try again. Actually, that's surprisingly okay.
Yeah.
It's not like nothing to call your mom about.
It tastes like fast food.
Hey, Mom. We're at Ikea in Memphis. We're trying some macaroni and cheese. Nah, I just called you. It is nothing to talk to you about. I'll talk to you later. I gotta go.
The macaroni and cheese is almost like the mac and cheese at like the Chick-fil-A or somewhere.
Come, can you pass the salt and pepper, please? I don't want to use on my arm, my sleeve, my arm hair. Put cotton balls in your food.
I would order the mac and
Want
cheese.
some pepper on it?
Not the mac and cheese.
Oh.
You don't need anything. Or you want something?
I guess I'll individually mac it and do it.
You can put it out there.
Nope. Never have I ever did
It
that.
does not need salt and pepper on there.
There's a little butter.
The mac and cheese is fine like it is. Now the mashed potatoes, they're a little,
Just leave. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
they may need just a tiny bit.
Skosh.
Yeah. That's what you call it, a scotch.
Well, a skosh, like a little bit. The lingonberry sauce is free. It's up there. You could probably get a lot of this instead of buying that and put a little bit of water in there and have your own.
No.
But this is good, actually. That's the best thing on this thing yet.
We didn't try the green beans.
Whoops, making a mess.
Acting like you.
The texture is like a freaking rubber tube. It squeaks too, like an inner tube.
It does. It's squeak in your mouth.
I never ate a bike inner tube, but I think if I was a bike inner tube, I would taste like that. It tastes like fresh green beans, though. You know, like
Yeah.
you're not never frozen.
Now the desserts on this.
Desserts?
We tasted everything else, right?
Okay. Well, I tasted broccoli. You tasted broccoli?
I just seasoned the broccoli because I figured it was broccoli is broccoli.
Nice to it. Strawberry shortcake.
Now this is
That doesn't
strawberry.
look like a lot of strawberry. It looks like it's lingonberry shortcake. So I'll try yours first. I gotta get. Can I get that? It's okay.
I like it.
I think it's okay. The moistness
It's very moist.
And how firm it is still.
I thought it might be dry,
Yeah.
like when I saw it up there.
Yeah, it is
But
moist.
it's a very moist cake.
For you people that like moist cake, some people use applesauce in there. You do that?
People use
Different
applesauce,
stuff.
yogurt,
Mayonnaise. Do they put mayo in there?
flaxseed,
Okay.
all kind of stuff.
You want to try some of this?
I will, even though I don't like chocolate cakes.
It's okay. I'm not calling my mom. I wouldn't buy it again. But if you had it at a party and it was free, I would eat it.
I don't like I don't know, maybe it's just me, like chocolate cake frosting and all that, it tastes more like dark chocolate. It's not
That's what, yeah.
sweet.
I don't like
don't
the,
like
I'm not a fan of the darker chocolate stuff. And it is kind of, after
too
the
tart.
bit, it's like bitter right at the end of the end
If
of
you
it.
like chocolate cake, you'll like it. It tastes like it's very moist, just like this.
Out of everything on here, what do you like the best?
Out of everything, it's between the mac and cheese and the salmon.
I'm going to say about the same thing on the meatballs aren't really nothing really to talk about. Mac and cheese, the salmon, the lingonberry is really good. I would choose this cake over the chocolate cake. Between the pear and that, have you tried the pear?
I haven't tried it.
Have you tried the pear? You tried that?
I haven't
I tried both
that
of them. I'm liking the cranberry probably a little bit better, but I got both styles, so she could taste it too. What does it taste like to you?
Golden water.
Golden water?
It doesn't taste like. It just tastes like. What's the carbonate, the soda?
Oh, club soda.
Like golden
Let me try it again.
club soda.
Try again. It tastes like pears a little bit. Your taste buds are messed up.
Maybe let me get this sweet stuff.
I'm gonna say too loud.
Let me get this sweet taste out
Are
of
you
my
in the
mouth.
view? Is your head in the view this whole time?
When I just set up,
Oh,
I just
okay,
did
was
this.
gonna say, we had to do this all over. I'm going to say this is kind of like nursing home food. Yeah,
Give me the pear drink.
this is like nursing home food.
Like hospital food.
Like you're in drug rehab. Like I was in alcohol, but drug people were there too. Alcohol's a drug, folks. But it's like,
I don't know. Now,
you bump glasses.
no, I don't know. Now,
You bump glasses.
no, I don't know.
That Prince? Your nails. Like Prince sign, ain't it? Formerly known as
No.
Prince. The artist formerly known as Prince. I gotta show him your nails now since I did it. Yep, that one look like Prince right there. Okay. Okay, well, with that said, guys, out of a 1 to 10, I would say I'm just going to give it an even 5, 6 maybe. I like the free refills on the drinks, $1.50 a piece. It's a lot of trips with this little glass, but coffee's only $1. So free refills for coffee. So I might come here just to sit and distribute business cards.
Yeah, you can probably sit and do like, I
chat.
guess just like how
Free
you
Wi-Fi.
do in,
They got a
just
plug
like
in?
in Starbucks, you just sit and do your work and
My computer only lasts 30 minutes without, yeah.
there may be some plugs on that wall over there.
I'll run an extension cord. I'll find an extension cord area here and just go ahead and run it all the way over there. Okay, well, anything else you'd like to say about this fine meal?
No, if I came back, I would get the salmon, the mac and cheese, and maybe mashed potatoes. I would have to add salt, but
Okay. That would
That's
be your plate.
It would be
and
the
that plate would be
strawberry.
like $5.99-ish, like $6.
I don't know because I don't remember how much the salmon was.
It's about $6. It's about.
Was it? It was about
$6.49
like they say on the
or
receipt.
something. Oh, maybe. Oh, there's. Ooh, look at her. I use my Fetch app. Looking descriptions on the Fetch. I just sitting here. I was so happy. I got 5,000 points. That's $5. I found it in the freaking little bit of trash can that was right by the register. I asked her if I could, and she actually uses the Fetch. But if you want to sign up, you get $2-3, but you get gift cards to Walmart, Ikea, I think, Amazon. But this was $7.99 for the Salmon. But if you sign up, you get 2,000 and I get 2,000 points. So look in the descriptions, sign up, and take your first picture of a photo of a receipt. You don't got to buy nothing. You can just find them in the parking lot. 28 a week. Okay. All right, well, with that said, guys, I'm going to get out of here, edit this video so you can see it. You already saw it, so that means I already edited it. Yeah, I said it. You was going to correct me.
No, I would.
Grammar police.
No, I'm just looking at you.
Okay. You can look at me all you want. Okay.
You like doing stuff to bother people.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I got my shirt on the right way today because I got my logo on it.
But what's the reason that you do it? Like some of the stuff you do. Bye, guys.
See ya. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Thanks again, Jana. I really appreciate the donation for making this video possible. So appreciate it and hope you liked the video. Hey, thanks for watching the video again. If you haven't visited my website yet, the address is www.DaGarbageDisposalStore.com. You can navigate through the top, all these links right here. There is actually a question and comment form. If you have any questions or comments, fill that out and it'll go straight to my email. At the very bottom, there is a free newsletter. Just sign up right here and you'll get a weekly newsletter. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit see all so you get all the notifications and don't miss the videos. Please comment. I like to listen to your comments and respond to you. So I do like to interact with you guys. Please share the video with your friends, family, even your boss, and have a great day. Let's meet other plans.